Berry Accessory Google Pixel 3 Case. Pixel 3, Non-Slip, by Berry Accessory is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. 1. Compatible with, specially designed for your Google Pixel 3, not suitable for Google Pixel 3 XL, 2018. 2. Google Pixel 3 Dual Layer Protection. This protective case is made of quality TPU and PC materials and crafted with refined details. 3. Google Pixel 3 Case. The excellent cutout allows easy access to all ports and functions. 4. This stylish case is lightweight and durable for an extra long service life. 5. Google Pixel 3 Hybrid Case protects your phone against scratches, dirt, bumps and minor drops. Description: Google Pixel 3 Case Hybrid Dual Layer Protective Google Pixel 3 Case 1. 100% brand new. 2. Google Pixel 3 Protective Back Case is easy to install and remove without causing any scratch to your smart device. 3. Protection with full access to all ports, buttons and cameras. 4. This hybrid case protects your phone against scratches, dirt, bumps and drops. 5. This protective back case is easy to install and remove without causing any scratch to your smart device. 6. Google Pixel 3 Hybrid Case protects your phone against scratches, dirt, bumps and drops. 7. The color of the picture may be slightly different from the display. Compatibility. Package. 1 by PCS Berry Accessory TM, Google Pixel 3 Phone Case.